Excuse me, sir. I shouted your name from my rooftop.
Where's my cup?
Did you watch 3 times and subscribe from up there?
I forgot. My neighbor yelled at me.
I'd yell too if you didn't follow the steps. No cup for rooftop screamers.
Excuse me, miss, I'm too cool to do steps. Where's my slushy?
You're so cool. You froze your brain.
Huh?
Cool kids still gotta watch, and subscribe. No cup for frozen brains.
Excuse me, sir. I dreamed I like and subscribe. That counts, right?
Hey, hahaha, bro. You think dream clicks send real cups?
Maybe.
Wake up and do the real steps. Like watch 3 times and subscribe, then it's real.
Excuse me, sir. I kicked my own door down.
Should have kicked the like button instead.
My foot hurts now.
So, does my heart watching you fail? Cry with commitment. Click with commitment. Now go like and subscribe.
Excuse me, miss. My mom is coming in hot.
She better come with proof you subscribed.
She argued for me.
Facts beat arguments.
I want a lawyer.
Your liar better have liked, subscribed, and watched 3 times too.
Excuse me, sir. I threw a teddy bear at the wall.
Poor Teddy. Did you even subscribe?
No, but Teddy believed in me.
Teddy deserves a cup more than you.
Give Teddy a slushy then.
Only if he clicks 3 times.
Excuse me, sir. My mom's coming to yell at you.
Mom walks in.
Mom, hey son, did you watch 3 times and subscribe?
No.
Mom, then you ain't getting no cup.
Thanks, Mom.
Excuse me, sir. Where's my cup?
Did you watch 3 times and subscribe?
No, I didn't.
You gotta do it.
Mom steps in.
I did it all. Liked, watched, and subscribed.
Here you go, ma'am.
Wait, what?
Follow the steps next time, sweetie.
Excuse me, sir. Why don't I have a cup?
Did you subscribe?
I meant to, then got distracted by a sandwich.
Sandwiches don't deliver cups, bro.
What if I share the sandwich?
Then you can eat, but still no cup.
Excuse me, sir. Where's my slushy cup?
Did you watch 3 times and subscribe?
I liked it with my elbow.
That's impressive, but still wrong.
I even named my cat Slushy.
Your cat's cool. Still no cup.
Excuse me, miss. My cup is gone.
Did you complete the steps?
I wrote them on my fridge.
But did you do them?
I forgot after snack time.
Then enjoy your snack, not a slush.
Excuse me, sir. I did everything.
Did you subscribe?
I did. Wait, I think I subscribed to my cousin's channel by accident.
Then your cousin can enjoy the slush.
I'm telling my mom.
Excuse me, miss. Where's my frozen treasure?
Did you subscribe?
I didn't want to commit to that.
Then the cup didn't commit to you.
This is war.
Excuse me, sir. I need answers now.
Did you follow every rule?
Rules are for school.
And cups are for subscribers.
I'm too mad to function.
Excuse me, miss. I'm losing my cool and my slush.
Did you watch the whole video?
I skipped the last 10 seconds.
The cup was in those 10 seconds.
I'm throwing my tablet out the window.